Hello friends, welcome to Tech Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Chrome browser in Linux distribution. Okay, so first of all, go on any browser. Currently, what do you have browser? So I have Firefox. I'm opening here Firefox. So have a start and right here Chrome, then click OK. Then click and just click here in the first option. So I have to click and go to just click download Chrome, and its first option select here Debian and Ubuntu and accept and install here. Okay, and just save it. So you can see here is start download. Go on download option. I'm here download option and just extract here. Okay, so please wait, and file is extracting is start. Have a start, then go on terminals, remove it and just remove it also. Click ls, enter, go in download directory. So copy this and just paste here, click, then ls, then type here sudo apt install. Check your spelling, yeah, everything is okay. Then copy this file. Okay, then here is paste, then click enter, write your password and enter. Just you can see, so type yes, then enter. Yeah, so downloading is start and you can see in the process. So wait few minutes. Yeah, successfully install. Okay, so go on the browser, so guys, have installed successfully Google Chrome in your Debian, in your Linux distributions, Parrot, or you are using Kali. So we should be just restart your computer system, then check here. Okay, then you can check here, you can find. Okay.